Hello, happy new year, everybody. Welcome to the first stream of the year. It's January 4th, it's Monday. Some moves happened overnight last night, but other than that, we'll get to it. There's a lot of news this week, a lot of geopolitical stuff, and a lot of, I don't know about the other news, but we'll check it out. Anyways, happy new year. Let's get started. So, like always, continuing with the trend here. We got the gold chart up. Just give me a moment. I'm just going to check one thing on Forex Factory before we continue. Okay, there's no news today. But I think tomorrow is the Georgia Senate race. And then Wednesday is when the Electoral College votes are actually counted. So with those 2 days, I feel like there's going to be some movement on the price of gold and the US dollar in general. The US dollar tanked overnight. It actually gapped down. This chart isn't showing a gap. But right here, I think it gapped up to like 1904-ish. Yeah, right here, you see this 1909. It gapped up to 1909. So with that gap up, we've had a nice bullish move up. I think that's kind of changing the trend, to be honest. I did some simulations on gold over the holidays. Like I had that one short stream on 7/22. Then after that, it was like slow and choppy, and I was like, might as well just enjoy the holidays, right? So let's get started here. Let's go to the 3 months. So I like to look at the quarterly time frame, just for the fact it gives you an indication of what the longer term trend it's doing. Right now it's going pretty bullish. Last month you had that doji close. That's really a indecision. You have a huge liquidity grab down here, etc. This month opened up with no lower wick. It's kind of interesting how that happened. Nice little bear move down, sell off, and then a bullish move upwards. So with that bullish move upwards, we might see more bullish momentum into January. When we go to the weekly, we could even see that confirmed. We're reaching this little resistance area I had marked a little while back. I'm gonna have to clean these up, I think, on my gold analysis on Saturday. But we had that, or Sunday, yeah, gold analysis on Sunday. But we had that area marked up way back when we go to the daily, we can see it's kind of in this liquidity range. Remember this range that was happening in August and through September and October? It's a big liquidity zone. There's clean traffic though for gold to move up to 1950. That's the one thing I'm looking at today and into tomorrow. Of course, we have resistance here, but we have this clean candlestick. What was that date? On November 9th, which gold seems to be trying to correct at this moment. When we go to the 4 hourly, we have a nice bullish trend on the 4 hourly. And on the 1 hour, we can see that it's pulling back right now. So with this pull back, we'll have to be watching on lower time frames, maybe for it to hit the support level right here, down here maybe. See what it does, see how it tests around that area, and then from that area, see if we can get an entry. Or even if we entered here, what's my stop? You know what? It's a new year, let's start it off right. We're gonna enter the long here. So I got in at 1930.50 on my broker account. Stop loss will be 1928. 50, there we go. All right, we can see a bullish move happen on the price of gold overnight. It gapped up and started to continue up bullish quite hard, especially during the Asian session and then throughout London. Right now it's pulling back, finding its support again and pushing up higher. So with that, we took an entry at this support. Stop loss is going to be below the previous support at around 315, and we're going to get aim for 20 pips and hold a runner. Right now it flipped bullish, so it's giving us a good indication for it to go higher. All right, the price of gold, it gapped up last night, right when the market opened, and it's been continuing upwards on this bullish trajectory. We had the bullish move in Asian session, then a bullish move in London. Now during New York, we're having a little pullback, finding support. We entered at the bottom of this wick over here with the stop loss below the wicks at 315. We're aiming for 40 pips and then going to hold a runner for the rest of the day. All right, we had a gap up and bullish move on gold last night. That was followed by a bullish trajectory during Asian session and then during London session. Right now during pre-New York, we're having this little pull back. With this pull back, it's giving us an entry. I took an entry at 1930.50. I have a stop loss at 1928. I take profit of 40 pips at 1934. And then going to hold a runner right after take profit hits. And then I'm going to move stops to break even once this trade is in profit. All right, we're close. We're about 70 pips away. We had this nice little bullish reversal upwards. It's almost there. Just gonna watch it go. All right, we're about 70 pips away. We had a nice bullish momentum candlestick in the last couple minutes here. We're almost at take profit. Gonna move stops to break even and watch this hit take profit. Ten pips away. Ooh, couple pips away. 10 pips away. Boom, there it is. What a great way to start the new year. Hope everybody caught this trade. Boom, there it is. Take profit hit. What a great way to start the new year. Not bad, actually. Pretty good trade for the first one. Trusted that bullish analysis. That would happen. Now let's just leave a runner. Remember, one candlestick isn't enough to change a trend anyways. It's what good old Uncle Ted keeps preaching. I mean, it's true. One candlestick really isn't a trend reversal. This isn't a bullish trend. Extremely bullish trend. Probably gonna edit the video right now. Get that over with. Nice, popping up a little bit. That's pretty good. I like how this momentum's kicking in right now. I'm gonna hit the video right now. Whoa. Okay, there we go. Check out the video. Edit it a bit. Damn, that thing popped the fuck up. Gapped up and started to continue up bullish. We took it in London back trajectory during Asian session and by a bullish move on gold last night. Finding its support again. Damn, this thing is going. Holy. Might even hit 1950
All right,
today.
we can see a bullish move happen on the price of gold overnight. It gapped up and started to continue up bullish quite hard, especially during the Asian session and then throughout London. Right now it's pulling back, finding its support again, pushing up higher. So with that, we took an entry at this support. Stop loss is going to be below the previous support at around 315, and we're going to aim for 20 pips and hold a runner. Right now it flipped bullish, so it's giving us a good indication for it to go higher. Giving us a good indication for it to go higher. All right. Especially during the Asian session. All right, we can see a bullish move happen on the price of gold overnight. It gapped up and started to continue up bullish quite hard, especially during the Asian session and then throughout London. Right now it's pulling back, finding its support again, pushing up higher. So with that, we took an entry at this support. Stop loss is going to be below the previous support at around 315, and we're going to aim for 20 pips and hold a runner. Right now it flipped bullish, so it's giving us a good indication for it to go higher. Entered at the bottom of this wick over here, the stop loss below the wicks at 315. We're aiming for 40 pips and then going to hold a runner for the rest of the day. All right, we had a gap up and bullish move on gold last night. That was followed by a bullish trajectory during Asian session and then during London session. Right now during pre-New York, we're having this little pull back. With this pull back, it's giving us an entry. I took an entry at 1930.50, have a stop loss at 1928, and take profit of 40 pips at 1934, and then gonna hold a runner right after take profit hits, and then I'm gonna move stops to break even once this trade is in profit. Bullish. All right, we had a gap up and bullish move on gold last night. That was followed by a bullish trajectory during Asian session and then during London session. Right now during pre-New York, we're having this little pull back. With this pull back, it's giving us an entry. I took an entry at 1930.50. I have a stop loss at 1928. I take profit of 40 pips at 1934. And then gonna hold a runner right after take profit hits, and then I'm gonna move stops to break even once this trade is in profit. To take profit and move stops to break even, and watch. We had this nice little bullish. All right, we're close. We're about 70 pips away. We had this nice little bullish reversal upwards. It's almost there. Just gonna watch it go. All right, we're about 70 pips away. We had a nice bullish momentum candle. All right, we're about 70 pips away. We had a nice bullish momentum candlestick in the last couple minutes here. We're almost at take profit. And move stops to break even, and watch this hit take profit. Ooh, couple pips away. What a great way to start the new year. Hope everybody caught this trade. Boom, there it is. Take profit hit.
Olives had a major run.
Boom, there it is. Take profit hit. What a great way to start the new year.
No one had a run like Rhymes. No one.
What up, Dylan Aston? How you doing today, man? Caught a gold trade this morning. I'm just uploading the video right now. Just give me a moment. Thanks for tuning into the stream, man. That's the first. That's pretty sick. Appreciate the support. All right, we had a gap up and bullish move on gold.
How come that text ain't working?
All right.
Good thought you would never respond. What do you mean? No, I got the chat open, man. I got a nice little area for the chat. I'll send you a picture of it in a bit here. So let's do that now. When we doing another podcast? Yeah, we'll do another podcast soon. I just saw your text. We'll do another podcast soon. I think in a few weeks from now. You have to drop off the kids. It was waiting to hear your voice. Dude, I thought you were done dropping off the kids. I thought that ended yesterday. Until next month, you know. I thought they had their swimming all done.
All right, we had a gap up and bullish.
Want to Sunday? Yeah, I'd be down Sunday. Let me talk to Chan about it too. Because I know you got some stuff going on, and you know about his new thing. So you didn't want to mention, but you know about his new thing. So it's gonna take some time. Dropping off the kids now. That was a nice one, man. But yo, I'd be down for that podcast anytime. How was studying, man? How did that go in the morning?
Up and bullish. All right.
Damn, this thing is fucking flying right now. 1939, that's already 90 pips in profit.
All right, we had a gap up and bullish move on gold last night. That was
You listen to this too, eh? Nice, nice. Yeah, I'll post the video on Instagram. You can check it out in a bit here.
All right, we had a gap up and bullish move on gold last night.
Here's
That
the
was followed
video,
by a
man.
bullish trajectory
You get the
during
first
Asian
preview.
session,
I
and
already
then
edited
during-
it and everything if you're still listening.
All right, we had a gap up and bullish move on gold last night. That was followed by a bullish trajectory during Asian session and then during London session. Right now during pre-New York, we're having this little pullback. With this pullback, it's giving us an entry. I took an entry at 1930.50. I have a stop loss at 1928. I take profit of 40 pips at 1934. All right, we're about 70 pips away. We had a nice bullish momentum candlestick in the last couple minutes here.
Dude, yeah,
We're
it's at
almost at take
1940. It's
profit.
crazy right now.
Move stops to break even, and watch this hit take profit. Boom, there it is. Take profit hit. What a great way to start the new year.
That was a video, man. I'm gonna actually send that to myself. Post it on Instagram. Trading View is real time. Actually, even without the subscription, it's still real time data. You should check it out, man. Probably one of the better charting softwares there is. Just for the fact, it's just there's so much you could do. I'll give you a tutorial on it in a bit, but you have all this random shit. I don't use that, but I just had to show you that. You have different like highlighters, rectangles, etc. I use the rectangle, it creates like zones. I have all my favorites here. You could have like a favorite toolbar. That's where this star comes in. I have fib retracement. You know how the fib retracements work. That's a standard. The arrow. Get the arrow. I like the oval too. Kind of gives like a indication of that. Kind of draw like zones if they're not clean in a rectangle. Text. Write random stuff down. It's good for once in a while. These are all my favorites anyways. Trend lines, obviously, when you get the trend line going. This one's like a connected trend line. It's kind of tough to use. I don't use that one. Paintbrush. And then these are the entries. That's when you go long. That's when you go short. Kind of have like a visual representation of it. But yeah, you have all that. So it's sick, man. You should check it out if you ever want to chart like anything. I don't know. Let's pull up like Tesla or something. You could chart that. Pretty nice. It's the only one I could think of right now. Damn, what was that candle? Yeah, you could just draw it quick. Like if this was a higher time frame, you'd be like, look at that. That's a pretty good resistance right there. Maybe draw a zone. But then you look on the higher time frame and it's on this bullish trend. Broke out from this trend line. We could test down here and continue up. Who knows? But it's like quick and easy. I feel like it's the best charting software out there. Chan will Bollinger Bands only. No, Chan actually, yo, you should have seen Chan's chart back in the day, man. Fucking hilarious. Holy fuck. Yo, I remember how I texted you last night at any point Bitcoin could drop 20%. Look what the fuck happened. 16%. That was a fat fucking drop. But that's the thing with Bitcoin, man. You get those new highs and then you get it drop down like that. It's kind of crazy how that works. But drop 16%. Call it last night. Any point in time, you could buy it and it could drop that fat. You like the levels, eh? Got your text. But yeah, no, these levels, dude. I drew these levels from a while back. Like I've been continuously drawing them, and it gives me good indication. Like this fat zone was before it crashed down over here, but I just kept it as a good indication. I might have to redo most of those drawings, but even the lower levels have been working. And then these higher levels, you can see right after it broke out from this 1890, it's just been on a bullish move up. And from earlier in the stream, I said it could hit like this level right here, whatever that is, from like 1950 to like 1960. Probably hit over there in that zone. So that's what I'm trying to get for with the runner. But damn, this shit is fucking flying, man. It's nuts. 1640, and it's just been bullish move up ever since pre-New York Open. No room down. Damn, my stream quality's been dropping frames. I gotta fix that. I don't know what happened. I guess I haven't really shut down my computer in a while, so probably gotta do that. Restart, baby. Yeah, fuck it. I'll leave it today, but I think I'll restart it tomorrow. Maybe delete some stuff on the computer too, make it run faster or something. Maybe upgrade the computer. Might be time. Gold TA is so significant though, inefficient relative to fundamentals for so long that it catches a bid and gets overbought or repeat. Inefficient relative. Yeah, it's so true. That's like, it seems to be like a kind of cycle investing style with gold. Sometimes it gets like oversold quickly and then it just reverses right away. Or even the overbought side kind of like disregards some fundamentals and then keeps going too and gets overbought and repeats its cycle time and time again. I feel like that's the case for this week, just for the fact that we have the Georgia Senate runoffs tomorrow. And if the Democrats get control of the House, probably devalue the US dollar. Just for the fact that now you got the Democrats running the House, Senate, and the federal level. And then with January 6th coming, Trump may not leave, so I feel like that's more geopolitical news. That's just like some geopolitical fundamental side that I have in mind for this week. Because if Democrats get control of all three levels, I feel like that's going to devalue the US dollar quite a bit. And then with like real rates have gone more negative and prices not corrected to that. Yeah, I seen that too. I feel like it might be kind of disregarding that for now. I think it has more to do so with geopolitical, and its correlation with the US dollar always fluctuates. Sometimes it's correlated with it, sometimes it's inverse correlated, especially watching Hedge Eye and how they did their analysis on it. At one point when we had that big sell off, the US dollar was going down while gold was going down, but now the US dollar is going down and gold's going up. So it's kind of weird on that correlation and everything else with it. I don't know, we can spit fire about it all day, you know how we get. It's a nice move on gold today, though. I feel like at 7 o'clock when the market opens, we're probably just going to see another push up. I can't wait for open. Gonna sign off, start work here. Enjoy B-Day stream, my man. Will Hall midday 1950 open. Yeah, I think it is 1950 today. 100%. You heard it here first. So I'll give you a text in a bit here, man. Good luck for the rest of the day. Have a second cup of coffee, and good luck at work too, man. Enjoy the days back at work. Actually, I think it'll be a crazy month. There might be a lot of shit happening in the markets, so hopefully that makes work a little bit more enjoyable for you, man. But yeah, I holler midday. Alright, peace, man. Not bad at all. I feel like in the next hour it might shoot up a little bit. I'm gonna check out the hour candle. Maybe I'll get another entry with that bullish move up. See if I catch a second trade here. It's a nice close coming up on gold here. Feel like with this close, the next hour should pop up too. We'll see how it pops up, but should pop up. It's not bad. I think we're just gonna chill on this trade. Let it be. Maybe with the 7 o'clock open, might get another entry. We'll have to wait and see. So close around 1940. If it has a little push down, maybe I'll enter a little bit more. We'll wait and see how this candlestick forms though. No rush at all. We still have the runner going. I think he'll pull back 1937 area. So just gonna watch it for it to hit that point. So let's have an alert down here at 1937. So if anyone's tuning in now, we had a trade from 1930-50 literally at the bottom of this wick. We have a runner going right now. The runner I'll probably just go to like 45. I think what I got a 50% of my runner right now. Pretty nice profit. Gonna leave a rest running. We have an alert. 1937. Just in case this hour pulls back and then continues to shoot up higher. Guess we'll have to wait and see for that. This didn't go to 37. Now it's just pushing up. So I had the alert there just in case it did, but yeah. Yeah, I think it's gonna pop up in this hour for sure. Yeah, I think this is about to rip up. We'll see when it does, but it just seems to like might just go flying right away. Let me check how the 15-minute looks. Nice little wick down. You know what? I think I might take a small entry right now at 1940. I took a mini entry. What's a stop? 1938 stop loss. Might as well try it out. It's only a 20 pip stop. See if we can hit 1944. Got some profits to risk anyways. I'm gonna move this back to 40, 34. I'm gonna delete the alert over here. There we go. See how it turns out. Man, that was quick. Out of that. I think I'll wait for the bullish flip now. Honestly, I just need that 1-6 a.m. trade or like the 7 a.m. whatever sets up, right? I think that's what I'm going to be aiming for this year. Just get that 1-6 a.m. or 9 a.m. trade. Maybe I will try another entry here. Ah, fuck it. I got in at 39 on my computer. Put a stop below the wick over here. This one I ain't gonna go for that much. I'm just gonna get 41. 41.50. End up with profit for both. Kind of like a 20 for 20 trade. In a sense, it's a little bit of a revenge, but I feel like this bullish momentum or that spike down was the last liquidity grab we needed. So with that push up, honestly, I should have scored 43. Maybe 40 pips over there. Change it to 43 here. Perfect. See if it pushes up. It's probably going to be my last trade for the day. Obviously, I have a runner going. And we're already in nice profits for the day, so I don't want to give it all back. So there's no point over trading it. How's Euro doing? Damn, Euro. Euro popped up quite nice, actually. Pound, not bad. not bad. But gold baby's where it's at. Keep it on the hour actually. I wonder, did it hit that 37 area? No, that was close though. Wow. That was a pretty nice call down there. There we go. We're ripping up quite nice here for the second trade. Well, third, technically. That second trade went to shit. That was a bad one. Oh yeah, fuck, I gotta do the blog post too. Do that in a bit here. Nice, we're getting a nice little pop up here. Damn, look at that fly. That was a nice re-entry down here. You know what? I'm gonna... Actually, no, I'm gonna wait. It's only like 15 pips away. Just like let it go a little bit. I'll move the stop to break even soon here. Ooh, that thing had a nice little sell-off there. Wow, interesting. Well, I'm gonna get out the second trade, break even, or reduce it by 50%. Actually, wait, I'm looking at 50. That's a 30-minute look. Nah, I'll wait. Haven't done anything yet. I think I'll wait. I'll let it move a little bit longer. See how it turns out. First trade's still in profit, so in reality, I'm just playing with profits from earlier. You know what helped though is the simulations. I did a couple simulations on over the break. Those really help. Kind of give you an idea of how gold moves, what to look for. Different movements that happen in the price of gold too, like this. Gonna have that bullish move up and then kind of consolidation right now. So you get to see all that in the simulations and you kind of get adjusted to it and used to it and how it moves. So New York market open. Let's check 30-minute doji indecision, 15-minute doji. I think when we break above that 42 area, we're gonna pop up. 44 here. So we'll wait and see how that turns out. Interesting. New York market open, little bearish move down. We're in a nice consolidation though, so it's pretty interesting. Honestly, I think I might just get this out at break even. And just chill. Let the runner run. See how it moves. Yeah, I think I'm gonna get this out at break even right when it hits, and boom, out at break even. I literally saw it and I was like, "Okay, I'm out." Got out. Fuck that! I'm not holding on to that. I got my runner going. Let's let that run. Damn, good thing I got out at break even there. I think it's kind of dropping right now. Gonna get out 50% more of the runner. So now I think I got about 25% left of the runner. I got out 50% earlier. Just gotta wait and watch.
Oh wow, that thing fucking shot up. Put my head down for a bit, looked up, and boom. Third time's a charm. Third time's a charm. Let's test it out. Might as well. Got the other one out at break even. Damn, indices are selling off, eh? Ah, fuck it. Actually, I'm gonna get out this trade at break even. I'll hold 50% of it. It's interesting. Silver's up 5%, gold's up 2.5%. Indices are quite flat. Orange juice lumber is down. There he goes. Boom. Let's see if we hit 44 for the second trade. Third time's a charm, right? Third time's a charm. I'm in it around 40.50, so I'm gonna have TP at 44.50 for the second trade. It already made a new high for the day, so with the new high, yeah, not this one. I think the next 15 minutes is when you're gonna get that momentum. I'm 20-ish pips in profit. This next 15 minutes should pop up after that close. It seems likely that it's gonna pop up a bit, so I guess we just gotta wait and see what happen.
Oh yeah, blog post. I gotta do that. Let me actually do that real quick. Ooh, it's popping up. Nice, nice. A few more pips here, 10 more pips or so. Should be good. All right, 10 pips away. That's when I put my stops at break even. About 10 pips away, so. You know what? I'm gonna get out just because of that losing trade earlier. So I'm gonna get out. So now I'm holding a runner. So I got out 30 pip profit. I'm gonna offset the other two trades. And now I'm holding a runner with stops at break even. Fuck, I'm sorry. I was talking mid yawn. I'm gonna wait for 8 o'clock, see what happens. kind of slowed down a bit ever since 6 o'clock, so just gotta wait for it now. Eight o'clock open. Let's look at the hour. Hour's kind of slowing down. You can see the rate of change, as they like to call it, slow down a bit. So you know what? Let me get out of this runner. So now I just have a 25% runner from the earlier position going. That's about it. Just can't do the blog post yet. The video hasn't uploaded. I guess it'll happen later. It's all good. I think I'm gonna call that for the day though. pretty good day in general. Still have the 25% runner. Probably gonna get out soon. Here, I just deleted it because I'm ending the stream. But thanks everybody for tuning in. Shout out to Dylan for tuning in. Honest Rob for talking on Instagram. Thanks for all the support. Hope this year